Ilemu korioko boni lu ejasi tomatu kotonaka Teso Tropical Fruit Corporation Union Teju ngesi chama kitae Agwela nar Araito kech nejai factory. Ido korioko lu Araito kana kesi lemu nguria nete ido bakasebe mam kesi chama kitae Agwela kese muchuga arebonate miebe araema mete kotomatu kotokana. Konye do Apollo Kiniton Teso Fruit Factory Julius Martin mungesi abu olimo komiti lo airabete lo abu tai mane somaelo factory kalo ebe chama kita kwana angini chalo lo ibumakin abunere Agwela Araito ke o factory.
Hidung so aibone baka accreditation otoma office ngole baka IPPA itoda accreditation ngin chama kitiso Agwela muchuga araida arai maide otoma ibone baka igurupun ame baka ibe igweli sotoma Teso Cooperative Union bon edio group lebo dauta dolune register winga doa ya una muchuga ne kun balaso de swamana usi farmers otomi group ne jase so chale lo swamate group do la para na yaun ode supato ya una muchuga
Koto maurianete kana MP lo buku toroma Joseph Andrew Koluo nesiabu ilipe factory lo akorakini akorioko ikelu isikere emuchuga ka emiebe kitetere pedorete aitikitik adekane emuchuga.
For sure, these farmers will be very happy if there was a way you can supply them with the pesticides. The other time, they were supplied with the sprayers, but the sprayers were supposed to be given for free, but farmers ended up paying 200,000. And in a short run, all those sprayers got spoiled.
Koto maurianete kana pakana iche MP sida ineritos.
The primary cause for bringing this factory here and for government injecting their money was to improve the livelihoods of the fruit farmers of Teso. That is the brand. The last time we were here as a committee, Honorable Chair and members, I don't want members to forget that even some members of the committee shed tears when we went to the fields and people's fruits were rotting. Even around this place, they would bring fruits, then they rot from there, and then they are dumped. I don't want us to lose the gist of the matter.
In your priorities, I don't see where marketing very highlighted in a robust manner, because very true, when they give you startup, take advantage of marketing to make money as a source of income. So therefore, if you are not thinking about marketing robustically, and then you are thinking about expansion, and the two are not moving together, you will stay in the same place where you are.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Ramu, Koibuga Soroti.